Hello everyone, I am Nasimman, a solution engineer at Nutrient. Today I am going to walk you through a sample code available in our awesome Nutrient repo, how to redact uh, annotation one by one. So assume that we have a redaction annotation selected through programmatically, but user wants to verify it before redacting. So we have created two buttons here, and when they accept it, it will get redacted. When they reject it, it will be the redaction annotation will be deleted. So this is the primary use case. So now we'll go through the code. First we need to load the document. Once the document is loaded, we need to add these two buttons on the annotation tooltip callback. So for that, we will use this assign custom tooltip callback. So before that, we have to load the toolbar, and in the toolbar, I'm also loading the area redaction and text redaction. Area redaction is like you can select the area and you can redact it. So for that, area redaction and text redaction is for whenever you select the text, those text can be redacted. Once this loading is done, document loading and the toolbar loading is done, we call the redaction annotation handler callback. So here we'll check if the annotation is a redaction annotation. We'll check if it's a redaction annotation. Then we'll create two buttons. Only if it is a redaction annotation, we are creating the buttons. For other annotations, we are. So we'll use the type custom, then title, whatever we want the button name, and the ID, unique ID, and the class name for the custom CSS styling. And on press event, now what we are going to do? We'll get all the redaction annotations here except the current one. So here we are calling the get all annotations. So we are getting all the annotations here first. It's an immutable list. So we'll loop through all the pages, get all the annotations and filter for redaction annotation and store it into a list. We get the whole list here. Here again, we are going to filter and remove the current selected annotation and save all the other annotations in all redaction annotations. Now we have to delete all other redaction annotations and we'll apply the redaction annotations. Then we will recreate all the redaction annotations. That means once we accept it, we will delete all the annotations, redact this, and apply all the redactions annotations back on the page. Since when you apply the redaction, this will apply to the whole page instead of one particular redaction annotation. That's the reason we have to go through, remove them, and add it back. So for the reject annotations, we are creating a custom button, a tooltip with a unique ID and the class name for CSS stylings. And on press event, we are just deleting the current selected annotation. Just in case like this, reject only, we will delete that particular annotation. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.